The business has a target of growth for 200% by 2027, and we firmly believe that the new system that we've put in place with the help of the digital enterprise will allow us to do that. So we offer repair services, recycling services and refurbishment services for smartphones, tablets, laptops predominantly, and all other IT goods and services on the recycling side. We have two sites. We have this one in Guiseley, and we have a site up in Stanley, just up the road, and that's where we do all the wee recycling. My background, I've always worked in IT reseller land, so we've actually got another business here, Eden Telecom, where we're a reseller for IT, telecoms and mobile contracts, goods and services. The repair centre came out the back of that really. We had customers asking us where they could go and take a device for a professional repair, and really we didn't know where to send them, so we obviously saw a bit of a gap in the market there and decided to have a go at building our own repair centre. We deal with a wide range of customers, so we have some education establishments that we manage all their assets. We've got some large corporates that we deal with on the recycling and the repair side. Some of them sending us up to like 150, 200 laptops a month for repair. And then we've also got a white label partner programme, so it's the partner programme that we've been pushing most via the repair centre. We've invested in a new PSA system, which is basically like a CRM and an inventory system all built into one. Digital enterprise played a big part in this for us. Obviously it's a huge investment is this for a company of our size. It's something that we knew we needed to do to push the business forward. We don't currently have a CRM. We use a lot of different products and services all pulled together to kind of fit what the business requires. But the idea behind the new solution is to pull it all into one window, for want of a better phrase, and obviously put it all into one product. Before we had the system in place, we were using 2 or 3 different pieces of software. So what we found is we were having to update 2 or 3 different things for each individual order really. Obviously with the new system, it's just a simple case of, going through the order process with the new software, and everything will get updated all at once, which will save everybody a lot of time and obviously save a lot of duplication of work as well. The part Digital Enterprise have played in that for us, obviously with the grant, has actually made it possible for us to invest in this. Without that, it'd have probably been put on the back burner for maybe another year or 2. But obviously with the grant that we've received, it meant that we could actually progress and move forward with it. I think the system that we're putting in place does seem to be a system that you see a lot of larger organisations actually putting in place. Having access to the grant has actually meant that a smaller business like ourselves can access this type of product and actually get it in place, which will allow us to obviously grow quicker. I think it's something that we really wanted to do. We're really happy that we have done it, and I think it will give us a competitive advantage over the other companies of our size. The growth plans that we have until 2027 means that we will probably require between 6 and 10 new members of staff. We feel that the new system we're putting in place will give us a competitive advantage to be able to attract more staff into the business. Digital Enterprise played a big part in this for us. Obviously it's a huge investment is this for a company of our size. It's something that we knew we needed to do to push the business forward, to be able to attract new talent into the business. Yeah, we can't thank them enough for that.